Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We are doing our assignment 2, which is presentation on chapter 8, influence line for statically indeterminate beam. My name is Nur Alia Jannah binti Muhammad Jalani, metric number 13 DKA ACTF 2002.
My name is Hani Munawarah binti Muhammad Juman. My metric number is 30 DKA 18F 2010.
My name is Siti Nurul Syamimi binti Muhammad, nokat metrik 13 DKA 18 F2034.
My name is Nur Amira Nashha binti Amali. Kad metric number is 13 DKA 18F 2020.
Okay, I will start with the topic. Okay, an influence line can be defined as the graphical display of variation of a specific statical or geometrical quantity at a section in a structure when a unit load, rolls, or moves over the entire structure end to end. The ordinate of the influence line diagram at any section is the value of this quantity when the unit rolling load is placed at the section. The structural parameters may be reaction, shear force, bending moment, or twisting moment. The influence line diagram can be studied for statically determinate, and statically indeterminate structure. The IL diagrams are extremely useful in obtaining the worst effect of loading on the specific structure parameter and also help us in finding the value of the structure parameter under given loading condition.
So, this is one example of simply supported beam. The diagram is shown in the PowerPoint. The solution: first, we find the vertical reaction at A. The solution is reaction A equals to 20 times 4/6 plus 50 times 2/6 plus 15 times 1/2 times 4 times 4/6 equals to 15 kilonewton. Next, vertical reaction at B. RB equals to 20 times 2/6 plus 15 times 4/6 plus 15 times 1/2 times 2/6 plus 1 equals to 18 kilonewton. Next, shear force at C. So we must find shear force based on the diagram below. VC equals to 20 times 4/6 plus 15 times 2/6 plus 15 times 1/2 times 4 times 4/6 equals to 15 kilonewton. VC for the second one is 20 times 2/6 plus 15 times 2/6 plus 15 times 1/2 times 4 times 4/6 equal to 13 kilonewton. Next, we will find moment at C. Moment C equals to 20 times 2 times 4/6 plus 15 2 times 2/6 plus 1 5 times 1/2 times 2 times 4/6 times 4 equals to 100 kilonewton meter.
Example 8.2, for a simple supported beam which is overhang on both sides is shown in figure 8.2. Draw the influence line for a vertical reaction at B and D, the shear force and bending moment at C. Solution: draw reaction at B, reaction at D, shear force at C, and bending moment at C. The answer you can see at slide.
After that, in conclusion, In engineering, an influence line graph the variation of a function at a specific point on a beam or truss caused by a unit load placed at any point along the structure. Some of the common functions studied with influence line include reaction, shear, moment, and deflection. Influence lines are important in designing beams and trusses used in bridge, crane rails, conveyor belts, floor girders, and other structures where loads will move along their span. The influence lines show where a load will create the maximum effect for any of the functions studied. Thank you.